we are teaching Miss P how to do the fillet pass and the 3-pass fillers on a T-joint. And we're using regular MIG because this is something that majority shops, fabrication shops use. Pretty much anywhere you go. If you can learn how to do this technique with this MIG, you can pretty much get a job anywhere you want to go. So this is an easy process. I already started one pass. Let y'all come in and see if you can see it. So I'm just gonna do 3 steps. I'm just gonna do another one, stop it about right here, and another one to stop it right there so you can see the 3-pass fillet. That's the main thing. So that's the first pass, and we're gonna do the second one. Always remember, when you're doing this, you want to make sure you're cutting that weld that you just put in half. And if you got your soapstone, you make sure you can see it, put you a little stop mark, because I'm not trying to weld the whole plate. I want you to see where I stopped and started at. Ready? Come check it out, so you can really kind of see what I did. So you see how that one, it cuts that one in half. So, but you still can see just a piece of it. That's all you want. So that's where you lay your roof at. We was talking about having a house with a roof. That's your roof right there, and you're done. You done built the foundation, you got the walls up, and that's your roof, and that's your house. So I'm gonna do the last pass and stop it right here. That way you can see the full process. Step it here. And just for a rule of thumb, if you got to do some tie-ins, never put your tie-ins in the same spot. Try to stagger them so they are not located in the same spot. And that's a 3-pass fillet. So you see no undercut, it's not rolled, it's all tied in. If you can perform this, family, I don't care where you at in the country, somebody's gonna run and chase you down and give you some money and get you a job. Or help them start their business or whatever. You can do this. Hey, we need you. Hog on, fam. We out.